Hello old chaps, and I'm PDC here for top 10 video. Today I'm going to be doing the biggest box office dog movies because, well, I love dogs and I love movies, so I guess I'll do this. Number 10 is The Lady and the Tramp. It was released in 1955 and has so far sold 93,602,326 box office. That's how much dollars. Number 9 is Hotel for Dogs, and that was made in 2009 and has made $117,198 in cash on the box office. The 8's Beethoven, made in 1992, which has made $147,214,049 on box office. Number 7 is Beverly Hills Chihuahua, made in 2008. That has made a whopping $149,281,606. And now we have number 6. Now, chaps, number 6, Cats and Dogs, made in 2001 and has sold $200,687,492 box office. Number 5 is 101 Dalmatians, which was made in 1961. One of the oldest here, apart from Lady and the Tramp, and it's made $250,880,014, and that's impressive, chaps. Number 4 is Marley and Me, which was made in 2008. That has sold $242,717,113 on box office. Now number 3. Can you guess this one? I couldn't. It's Scooby-Doo the movie, made in 2002, which has made $275,650,703. Number 2 is Bolt, made in 2008, and has made $309,979,994. And now we're on to number 1. Now please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And here's a fact. We're waiting for number 1. The Hotel for Dogs was based on the 1971 children's novel of the same name by Duncan, and there's 70 dogs starred in this film. Something even better is that many were rescued from dog pounds and then adopted by the movie's crew members. So they've saved some dogs. Liked for that. Anyway, number 1 is... Here's a hint, we've kind of already had this. 101 Dalmatians Live Action Edition, made in 1996 and made a whopping $320,689,294 on box office. Thank you for watching, and goodbye, governor.